Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.
Lily dear, are you ready? We are going to the vegetable market today.
Really, Mom? I am so happy. I love going to the market with you.
I know, sweetheart. Come, get ready slowly. Wear comfortable clothes.
Mom, my clothes are comfortable. I will comb my hair.
Yes, that will be perfect.
Let me tie my hair. Mom, can I take my small shopping bag?
Of course, that is a good idea. We will buy fresh vegetables today.
Yay! Mom, what vegetables will we buy?
We will buy tomatoes for soup and salad, potatoes for curry and fries, carrots, beans, and spinach for salad,
Mom, and onions?
and onions for many things.
Mom, are we going by walk or by ride?
By walking, because the market is not too far. Walking is a great way to stay healthy, Lily. Ready to go, Lily?
Yes, Mommy, I'll get the door.
Good job, sweetie.
Let's go. Mom, the weather is so nice today.
Yes, it is calm and pleasant.
Mom, I like walking with you.
I like it too. We can talk peacefully.
This is so much fun.
It is, sweetie. I love these walks with you.
Me too. Mama, why do we buy vegetables from the market?
Because vegetables in the market are fresh and healthy.
Mom, how do we know vegetables are fresh?
Good question. Fresh vegetables look bright and clean.
Oh, I understand.
Also, fresh vegetables feel firm when we touch them. Lily, now tell me, which vegetable do you like?
Mom, I like carrots very much.
Yes, carrots are very healthy. They are good for your eyes.
Mom, will we buy fruits too?
Yes, if we see fresh fruits, we will buy some apples and bananas.
I want to choose vegetables today.
Yes, you can help me, but we will choose carefully.
Mom, I can see tomatoes and carrots there.
Yes. Let us go to that vegetable shop. Hi!
Hi, madam. What do you want?
We want some fresh vegetables.
Yes, madam. Everything is fresh today.
Uncle, these tomatoes look very red.
Yes, they are very fresh.
What is the price of tomatoes?
Tomatoes are rupees 100 per kilo.
Okay, give us 1 kilo.
Wow, so many tomatoes.
Sure, madam. Here you are, 1 kilo. Welcome. How can I help you?
What is the price of potatoes? Yes, how much?
Potatoes are 80 rupees per kilo.
Give us 1 kilo of potatoes. Certainly. Here you go. What about onions?
Onions are 100 rupees per kilo.
Give 1 kilo.
Yay, big onions.
Of course. Here you go.
Mom, can we buy carrots?
Yes. What is the price of carrots?
Carrots are rupees 150 per kilo.
Give half kilo.
Okay, madam.
Do you have spinach?
Yes, madam. 1 bunch is 50 Rs.
Give 2 bunches.
Anything else, madam?
No, that's enough. Here you are.
Mom, I enjoyed buying vegetables.
Me too. You helped very nicely.
Mom, vegetables smell fresh.
Yes, fresh vegetables always smell nice.
Mom, can we buy fruits now?
Yes, let us go to the fruit shop.
Wow, so many fruits.
Yes, look at these apples. Hi, madam. What is the price of apples?
They look yummy.
80 rupees per kilo. Here you are.
Thank you. Mom, I want bananas.
How much for bananas? 50 rupees per dozen. Give 1 dozen.
Hey, bananas.
Thank you.
Yay, apples. What about oranges?
80 rupees per kilo. Give half kilo.
Mom, today was very fun.
Yes, we had a good time.
Mom, I learned many new things.
Like what?
How to choose vegetables and ask prices.
Very good. I am proud of you.
Mom, I want to come again next week.
Yes, we will come again.
Mom, can I help you cook today?
Of course. You can help wash vegetables.
Yay!
We are home now.
Mom, I will keep vegetables in kitchen.
Good girl.
Mom, thank you for taking me.
Thank you for helping me.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too, Lily.